to my first video of the vegan spoon. You might know me from Latinos Veganos Can from Facebook or Instagram. My name is Mariana. I am an Argentinian living in Canada, and since when I turned vegan, my husband is Colombian, he and I actually decided to eat other foods and we couldn't find the recipes. So I started veganizing everything, and a few years ago when I was in Argentina, my auntie gave me this book. I wasn't vegan at the time, so I started writing down all the recipes that I liked. So what I did was I started veganizing all these recipes, and it turned out perfect. So much and so good that people always ask me for the recipes. So I decided to start this channel. Please leave me some comments down below. You can leave me some comments suggesting anything you think I might need to fix. This is my first time recording cooking. I never recorded cooking before. And another thing I wanted to mention was my Facebook and Instagram is going to be down below. The recipes that I put in there are always in Spanish and English, and so I will put them down on the description box for you to go. I'm gonna try to do all the recipes with videos once I get more used to it. And so the recipe for today is gonna be the hot cocoa mix. This is one of my first things I ate in Canada when I moved here. I moved in December of 1999, and my first thing I had was hot chocolate with marshmallows. And so I have veganized a recipe that I have done for many years, and I wanted to show you because it's so simple. Like, the ingredients are, you can find it pretty much anywhere. And so today I'm going to be showing you how to make hot cocoa mix. So let's begin.
Okay, so we are gonna be adding everything in a bowl, but we have to sift it. I realized I needed a bigger one, so here I have the coconut powder, which is 1.5 cups, and we're just gonna add all the ingredients together and then we'll mix them. So here I just want to show you that I'm using raw sugar. And you can use any other, as you can see, you can use coconut. I used to use coconut for a while, but I ran out and forgot to buy. So this is what I'm going to be using today. This is raw sugar, but I think I processed it or something. Like I made it really thin. And remember, just put everything in here. So here's the cocoa powder. We're just gonna add 1/2 cup, and I am a little messy, I know, and as you can tell, there's like stuff all over the place. And next is the tapioca starch. You can use cornstarch, it's fine. I just like tapioca better in a way, and so that's what I'm using. You can add cinnamon, just a pinch to give it a little bit of flavor, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna mix it all. We're just gonna mix so everything, as you can tell, it gets all mixed up. It's okay if it looks like that. We'll mix it after, and once it's cooking, everything will just disappear. So it's okay if it's a little white on one side or whatever. And that's how easy it is. And we're gonna put this in a jar. Just mixing a little bit, and we're gonna put this in a jar. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And so now we're gonna put it in the jar. As I mentioned before, you can make around 15, even 20 cups, maybe 10. It depends on how big your cups are and how dark you want it. I think I've made up to 20, and these are the measurements we're gonna be using when making it. And so I'm gonna be using almond milk with no sugar in it. I don't want it to be too sweet, especially if we're adding the marshmallows. And so I added a cup of milk, and I am gonna be adding 3 tablespoons of this powder, the cocoa powder, and we're gonna mix it. I use chopsticks sometimes. You are gonna be seeing that on my videos. I like doing that, and so we're just gonna mix that, and we're gonna cook it until it's hot. Pretty much, that's it. And if it's you wanna add some cinnamon, I just did, so you can do that. It's up to you. You know, it's up to your liking. And we're just gonna see how this looks delicious right now. This is done. As you can see, there's a little bit of steam, so I turn it off. And these are the dandies, the marshmallows I'm gonna be using. I find these really, really good. They're vegan, and I can find them anywhere, even on Amazon. And look at this deliciousness. Oh my god, that looks so good. It's super creamy, it's super delicious. And the last thing to do is add the marshmallows. And so this is how much I have. This is my cup, and I still have for another cup and a half. So with 1 cup you make pretty much a lot.
With my hot chocolate and my Christmas tree, I want to say thank you for coming to my channel, and I hope you like my recipe. I will be posting more, and not sure what day, but I will. I hope you liked it, and please leave me some comments down below, and I really appreciate you coming to my channel. Bye!